Hello everyone, welcome to the quick tutorial where I am going to show you how you can adjust a column width automatically in Microsoft Excel. So when you have columns that are smaller than the size of the data in it, you can see that data is cut off. So you can actually adjust it by just increasing the width manually. You can do that if it's a small data, but if it's a big data, you need to do it automatically. So how you can do it is you can select the columns that you want automatically adjusted, or you could press Control A to select everything, and you can go to Home tab and go to Format option. So once you click on this, you can see there's an auto fit column width. So when you click this, you can see that the column width are all adjusted. It's made bigger or smaller to fit the data in it. So this does not incorporate fitting any future data. For example, if you have a new customer which has a very long name, for example, customer with a long name. So what happens is when you click on this, you can see that it's not fitting in this width. So you cannot do this for the data that you're going to enter, but you can obviously do this for the data that's already in there. So let's do it once again. You Control A, go to Format, and press on Auto Fit Column Width, and now it will adjust it. However, if you want to use shortcuts for this, you can also use shortcuts. So the shortcut keys for this is pressing Alt and H and O and I. Alt H O I. So remember that you do not press any keys together. So you press it one by one, you hold the Alt key, and then you press H, you hold it, you press O, you hold it, you press I, you hold it. So Alt H O I. That's how it's done. Thank you. See you in the next video.